Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great and welcome to Angular series. In this tutorial I will show you how to use event binding in Angular. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is event binding? Event binding lets you listen for and respond to user actions such as keystroke, mouse movement, click and touch. So if you click, for example, on button, what will happen? Let's uh, uh, do it. Okay, open your Visual Studio Code, create a simple project. So I have actually already a project, an Angular project, and so let's remove everything from HTML, from TypeScript. I don't have nothing. So in here div.container, I have a div, and inside this I have a button, for example, a display message, and I have a button. If you click in this button, and an action should happen. How to do that in Angular? So it's very simple. First I'm going to run my Angular project by ngserve. Okay, and let's host the project and localhost. As you can see, I have a button here, display message. So if I click on button, nothing's happen. So okay, let's bind an event to this button. How we can do that? Very simple. Go to app component.ts in your TypeScript, and inside here you should add a function. For example, display message. Oh my god. Display message. Console dot log, for example, this is an example of event binding in Angular. It should display this message. So this is the name of our function. So go to your app.component.html and click here. Here you should open parentheses and click event. If you click in this on this button, what will happen? Call this function display message. What's the display message? Did you mean display message? Let me copy actually the function and paste it here. Okay, it's compiled successfully. Let's see the result. So I'm going to open developer tools console. If I click on this button, a message should pop up here. Right? As you can see, this is an example of event binding in Angular. That's how you can bind an event in Angular. I hope you will like it. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you guys for watching.